This is a final video to fix Enshrouded black screen and crashing issues. Are you facing the problem where the game just won't start or suddenly crashes with a black screen? This usually happens because of outdated drivers, missing game files, or conflicts with your system settings. Many solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and hard to follow. But today on Rexist, I will show you a simple trick that solves the problem fast and easily. You don't need to waste hours trying different complicated methods. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I will make it just for you. Follow this trick and your game should run smoothly without black screens or crashes. Don't wait. Fix it now with this easy method from Rexist.